Kitchen 101. Pots and pans come in all different sizes, shapes, and materials. But what do you really need to get dinner on the table? Here are the basics. First up, sauté pans. Sauté pans have straight sides, giving them a greater surface area for browning foods. The sides are also taller, which keeps splatters to a minimum. These pans are great for one-pot meals. Look for a 12-inch stainless steel option that can go from the stovetop into the oven and has a tight-fitting lid for maximum versatility. Next, a frying pan or skillet. Skillets have slanted sides, making them excellent for stir-frying and for cooking eggs or pancakes. You may want a couple skillets in your kitchen. A smaller 10-inch nonstick is great for eggs. A larger 12-inch skillet is best for stir-frying. Third, saucepans. Saucepans have straight sides and, as the name suggests, are useful for sauces and soups. These are also the pans to use for cooking grains. Again, you might find it helpful to have a few different sizes, a smaller 2 or 3 quart size and a larger 4 quart pan. Look for pans with a sturdy build and a heavy bottom for even heating. And don't forget the lids. Finally, Dutch ovens. Dutch ovens are usually made of cast iron, often with an enamel finish. This pot can be used to braise meats, make chili or stew, and even bake bread. These pans are designed to be used on the stove or in the oven. Look for a 5 or 6 quart size. This streamlined set of pans is easy to store in most kitchens and gives you what you need to prepare almost any recipe.